of the snow. We're gonna show y'all some of the fun we've had with it.
Alright guys, it's Arctic wasteland out here. We've got a lot of snow and ice.
My mom's trying to do this. Oh, no, let's see it.
A frozen pond. We were swimming with the alligators in here this summer, and now it's frozen.
Hey, do y'all want to take a picture with it? So we've heard that the lake is completely frozen up, or at least it had this morning. We've had a little sun since then, so we're gonna go check it out.
So what are you about to do? Throw what? Show it to me. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Hey Jason, what do you think about the snow?
I don't like it because it's making me cold.
Jordan, what do you think?